All right, so we're gonna create a stack of commands, stack of strings. We'll call a variable commands, and then we just say new stack. And then let's pretend we're gonna like simulate the user interacting with Google Docs and typing stuff. So we're gonna push a bunch of commands onto the undo stack. Push a bunchy, just a bunch, not a bunchy. There you go. So we'd say commands. There's only three methods we're going to use. The first one's push. And our command, we're going to represent our commands just as strings. If you were actually writing an application with an undo stack, you would be pushing command objects that would represent the command performed. We're just going to say stuff like insert hello. That works. Oh, I meant to use single quotes there. So they type the word hello, and we decide that's like one command. I'm going to like copy and paste this a couple of times, and then we can like change what it says just as we make our stack, and then we can watch it. So let's say they type hello, and then I'm going to have them type a comma, and then they pause. A lot of times when you're typing in Google Docs, how long you pause determines what is considered a single command, a single action. So then they type a space and they pause. They're very pensive. They type world because they like that from computing, but they're unsure. So they type a question mark, and then they get more confident. So the command, they're now going to delete the question mark they just typed. And then they're going to insert an exclamation point instead. I don't know. That sounds great. If we simply want to print everything in the stack, we can actually print it. It's not high performing because if you think about printing everything in the stack, it's not just doing push, pop, or peek, right? So printing everything in the stack is a little slow, but that's okay. This is just for illustrative purposes. When we print a stack, it does not print it vertically. It prints it horizontally. So the top of the stack is on the far right. So I just want to call that out explicitly. Otherwise, it can be confusing. I think it's confusing. I don't know. Now, let's simulate the user pressing undo 4 times. So we'll write a simple for loop. I equals 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus, blah, blah, blah. And then we're going to pop the thing off the top of the stack. And remember, when we pop, it removes it and it returns the value. So now we can print it. We're going to say we're undoing the command. So it should undo the last 4 things the user did. So we should see it undoing, inserting the exclamation point. We should see it undoing, deleting the question mark. We should see it undoing, inserting the question mark. And we should see it undoing, inserting world. So when you've got this typed, go ahead and run this file and make sure it behaves as we expect.